You wrote your chapter, and then where did Mark come in? Did he review every chapter? Did he just delegate to editors? How did he kind of mentor you all?
Oh, Mark was very much involved with it because he knows, and what he taught everybody was it has to be something new and different. If he's going to put his name on it, and his name is right there, Mark Schaefer and Friends, he's got to be proud of it. And therefore, he did look through and read everything. He had editors working on the grammar and the structure and all that, but he was very specific about what he wanted. And the same thing came true with everything else. And what really was of value to somebody like me who had never been through this process before is that he brought his whole marketing machine with him. He had people who were ready to publish it, who he had the audio editors. And the audio engineers really had a bit of a time because if you know anything about recording, you are going to have a problem if everybody's doing it a little differently. You might have somebody who's a voice actor like me working in a professional studio and the sound quality is there. Other people are trying to record in their closets. Maybe somebody used a car, which, by the way, is not a bad place to record, or they created something makeshift, or they had different types of microphones. And he worked with somebody who went to great lengths to make sure that it pretty much sounded even. And then he also had people, and he was able to guide it towards coming out in the Kindle version, and then to have it distributed around the world. And he took care of all the collection and the payments. And yes, he had people working with him, but he was very much involved because his name was on the book and he took a lot of personal pride in it.